Hello guys, I'm Benedict Kiprono. I've been building an intelligent safety alarm system that detects earthquakes and now signals the alarm. So the system contains the vibration sensor which now detects vibrations, as you can see. Then it has the P buzzer. Here it is. Here is the P buzzer. This one, that is the P buzzer. It also now contains the red LED. Red LED, which now, okay, the red bulb is the one that will be lighting when it now senses the vibration. So that's the LED. And of course, for it to be intelligent in that particular case, it needs to have the brain. In this case, it's now the ESP32 microcontroller. So tune in as I unpack this in the next video.